Welcome to this channel again. Here I'm going to teach you the snapback DIY snapback exercise after delivery. Those muscles that take a major toll during delivery and during pregnancy. We're going to work on it so that your body will snap back as it was before pregnancy. Look at that wrap. Is in two layers: the stomach wrap, abdominal wrap. You start by wrapping up the tummy so that you can be able to stand firm to do the exercise. Gradually wrap the abdomen so that your muscles will be firm to do the work. If you don't wrap up the tummy, you may not feel comfortable doing the exercise. So it's usually better to wrap up before you start the exercise. This is in two layers. The first layer is wrapped round. Then the second layer now should be on top of the first layer. This makes your stomach firmer to be able to do the exercise. Watch out as he's doing it. There's a lot of this in the market. You can go and look for it, or if you want it, you can order for you. You can see it's firm now.
One,
Then the exercise
two,
itself, this is
3,
press up.
4, 5,
We are still
6,
starting.
7,
It's a lot difficult,
8,
but we are doing it.
9, 10.
You can see that enough energy is needed here. Exercise is generally good for your body after delivery so that those muscles will snap up and you regain your muscles strength back. You know, during pregnancy, there are a lot of inactivity. This can make the muscles to last. But when you continue, you find out that your muscles will bounce back. This is to help the tummy tuck back and your body comes back as near normal as possible after delivery. You can do this in the morning before you eat. Every morning before you eat, you go and do this exercise. As a new mom, after delivery, make sure you embark on exercise. It helps you a lot. Do as much as you can. Don't force it. As much as your strength can carry you. In 2 weeks, your muscles are back. Your stomach has snapped back to as near normal as possible. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel as you're watching. Keep following this channel for your good lifestyle. That's what you need to do to stay healthy, to enjoy your life and maximize it. That is all we do in this channel. Make sure you enjoy yourself. Have fun. Consistency is the key. Just keep doing what you're doing. You will see results in a short while. Steady. Make sure your consistency in everything you do, consistency is the key. You will achieve it in a short while. Thank you for watching this video. If you're a new mom, make sure you embark on these workouts. It will help your muscle tune back and your stomach will snap back as near normal as possible. All right. Hope you're good. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to stay healthy and stay out of trouble. Bye for now.